want to show you how to play the Wedding March by Mendelssohn. If you want the letter notes for that, it's in the key of C. You go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the right hand. We're in the key of C, and it starts on a C. C. So 3 C's and then a long C. You hold it, do it again. You hold it, do it again. Then you add the third to it. And then you add the fifth to it. And then you go to an F sharp and a C. So you got 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, C and E, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, you're just adding by thirds, and then you go right up to F sharp and C, D sharp and B, then D sharp and F sharp, D sharp and A, E and G, D and F, D, C, then a little turn, D, C, B, C, D, G, D, C and E. The left hand goes C, E, G, then the right hand imitates it, C, E, G, and we do it again. F sharp and C, D sharp and B, D sharp and F sharp, D sharp and A, E and G, D and F, D, C, E, D, E, D, C. Now the left hand's that far, we'll get more, but the left hand's just going to go A, B, E, F, G, then C, C, E, G, A, does it again, B, E, F, G. Now here it changes, it goes to the 7th, F, G, F, G, E, G. So it goes to a G7, and we're going to play that F and F, G. There's a suspension there. There's a suspended E in there going in there, but you've got a G7 chord done with the F and G right there. So I'm going to go slowly now so you can see it. Now we add it. Add it. Get ready and hit the A with this F sharp and C. Then hit the B with the D sharp and B. The little B with the short B with the D sharp and the F sharp. So we get the E with the D sharp and the A. So we go. Then we go to the E and the G, D and F, then down to the G. Get off of the G right there. Then hit this C with this C and E, and then you lift off of it. So you go C, E, G, C, E, G, and we do it again. So there. There's your 7th chord. And it resolves to the C chord right there. E, G, C. We got the C on top, E, G. It's going to sound like that. And then we go on to the next part. Now we got C, C, E, E, D, B, G, G, C, C, E, D, B, G, G, E, G, G, F, E, D, C sharp, E, D, A, C, B, G, A, B. And then we're back to this again. Do is go up and roll a C chord with the C on top to end it right there. But to put the left hand with it, we got C and E, G. So we got. Now here I'm going to put a G7 in there, but I'm going to spell it G, D, F. I don't need the B in there because we're getting the B into it by coming down, and I kind of sustain through that. I sustain through the chord as I spell the arpeggio up, and and then I lift off and come back with the C arpeggio. So C, C, E, the G, D, F, G, G. Do it again. Back to the C. Now we go to an F chord with the F in the middle. Here's your F chord, F, A, C. We're going to go to an F chord, but we're going to put the F right in the middle because we got C, E, G. Now we're going to a D minor, D, F, A, to a D major, D, F sharp, A. Now, you don't have to have the G in there, but it sounds good either way. You can go, you have to lift off the D chord because you're going to a G chord sound. You can just play the B by itself, or you can add a G right there. I don't have it in the letter notes. I kind of like it with the G. And then we're back to this. And you want to separate those if you can. This last time through, slow it down just a little bit. So that you know it's coming to a close, and then you're going to have a C and a G in the left hand and an E, G, C in the right hand. There you have it, Mendelssohn, the Wedding March. Hope you enjoy it.